Random reviewer here with the first review. 3/8 inch drill driver, cordless, 18 volts. I'm sure a lot of us have seen this already. Just kind of wondering how it works. I like to go to Harbor Freight a lot and usually use the coupons to get a bunch of cheap little tools that are able to do just regular household things, sometimes regular repairs. Got this for 16 bucks with a 20% off coupon. Please excuse the loudness of the street. My rig is parked off of what seems to be a highway, but it's actually a street. But anyways, works. So with one hand, let's see how best I can do this. So, just a regular cheap little battery. I've seen these for $9.99 in the catalog. I've seen people suggest to get 2 at least. I don't think they would last that long. 1.3 amp hours. Probably should charge this for like 5 to 8 hours. Usually what you have to do. Instructions. Whoever reads the info. Plug it in, charge it, use it. Okay, here's the drill. Does not come with a chuck. Here's let's check out the receipts. Pretty good, $16. I was gonna go to Walmart and just get the cheap little Black & Decker kit, but I was at Harbor Freight already, and I picked up one of those 45-watt solar kits. We're gonna be putting it together with this, I guess, and installing it on the roof of my motorhome. So, as far as feels, it's like a mediocre cheap plastic. The button is obviously cheap, but hey, $16, 20 bucks. It's got multiple settings, all up to driver. Really cheap little electrical bungs, or whatever you want to call those. Every time I've bought stuff from Harbor Freight, it's been alright. I mean, I haven't tried any of their cordless power tools, but the corded power tools are alright. Wouldn't be building a house with them, but for just repairs, garage stuff, a little bit of charge in them already. So with one hand. There's a little LED working on front. It says 900 RPM on the box. General purpose use, 335 hour charger. Yeah, I probably should charge it for like 5 hours before I use it, but I might not even need it. Most of the stuff, what I'm gonna do today is probably, I could do it by hand. So, let's see, here's charger equipment. So I went ahead and got the charger. This is what it looks like. It's a regular wall wart. Let's see if I can read. I don't know if you can, how clearly you could see that. Output 24 volts, 0.3 amps, 7.2 watt max. Really lightweight, really cheap feeling. Plugs in like so. Just really cheap little plug. The light, when it's in use, the light will go from red, which is charging, to green, obviously. But hey, really cheap little charger unit. I'm not gonna open it up to even see what's inside. It's really light. It just feels like maybe a simple circuit and lights. Who knows? I'm not an engineer. Okay, so let's get on to testing. Like I said, I'm probably not even going to use it, but I'm going to try it out on a few things. Pretty tough. It's on setting 9. It's pretty hard to stop there. I'm sure if I go up to driver, it'll strip something. So I'm gonna keep it at 9 because I don't really need to torque down this and hand tightening it. Hopefully not cracking or damaging